Okay, now we're going to go over how to draw in divergent boundaries. So on your data type, you have plate names and plate boundaries listed just to make it easier for you. And then you want to open the key so you can tell what color to look for. So for the divergent, we're looking at that kind of greenish color. What we're going to do is on our own map, we are going to select a green color pen. I suggest the size a little bit bigger. And then we are going to trace where some of these divergent boundaries happen. So we're going to start with this one between the Eurasian, North American, African, and South American. You can tell that one goes all the way down between those 4 plates. So we're going to trace that boundary in green all the way down. It does not need to be perfect, just do the best that you can. Now when I look at this, it was kind of hard for me to see. So I'm going to actually go ahead and switch to a lighter green and retrace that boundary just to make it easier to read the map. Remember, the key is that we can read what you are doing so we can grade you correctly. Now you're going to go and continue to color in all of these boundaries, but I'm going to show you the next step that you'll do. So we're going to go back to numbers, and in your divergent plate 2, you are going to open the link under the directions number 1. And this shows you where all of the mid-ocean ridges are. So you're going to identify that with kind of a railroad thing. So you're going to make these little marks along those boundaries. So we're going to do that. We can see that this boundary that we did between Eurasia and North America is the mid-Atlantic ridge. So we're going to make those tick marks all the way down. And again, you're going to do this for all of the mid-ocean ridges. So use these 2 websites to do that. If you have any questions,